In this video, I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Apple iPhone 16 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Apple App Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search, and then click on this icon to download your app. Now you can click open, and here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click skip. Now you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click skip. Here you can turn notifications, or you can click skip again. And now you can pick your theme, or you can click save and continue, and you can select your toolbar placement, and then click save and start browsing. And as you can see, my app is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.